Welcome to Zero Downtime Migration presentation. My name is Sangala Giridhar Reddy. I am from Rackpack Cloud Innovation and Solution Engineering team. I will be covering section how to migrate database using Zero Downtime Migration. Ensure that you have met all of the prerequisites and completed the required preparation steps described in previous sections before you begin the database migration. Evaluate the database migration process. It is highly recommended that for each migration you run, migrate database in evaluation mode first. The evaluation allows you to correct any potential problems in the setup and configuration before performing the actual migration. In evaluation mode, the migration process runs without affecting the changes to the source and target databases. To run an evaluation of the migration process, run the GDM CLI migrate database command with the eval option. It is safe to run the command with the eval option as many times as needed before running the actual migration. From GDM service host, source database server can access either through root user or SSH keys. As target is cloud only, then connectivity is only via SSH keys. If connectivity to the source database server is with user credentials, user being root, then you need to use src root option with eval command, and command would be gdm cli migrate database source db unique name value source node source database server name src root target node target database server name target home target database oracle home value backup user object store login username rsp response file location and target database server authentication details. GDM auth plugin, target database login username, location of private key file, and sudo location. Execute the eval command by providing the required source and target database information. And for the prompts, specify the source database sys password, source database server root user password, object store user shift authentication token value. The command result output indicates a job ID for the migration job, which you can use to query the status of the job. About the query and status of the job details will be covered later during the demo. Note that if a source is single instance database and deployed without a grid infrastructure home, then in the above command use source SID in place of source DB. Also, if a source database is configured for a password-based wallet, then add the TDE keystore passwd option to the command above, and for the prompt, specify the source database TDE keystore password value. These same command options are also applicable for migration command as well. If connectivity to the source database server is through SSH keys, then replace src root option with the authentication details of source database server in the previous command. And execute the eval command by providing the required source and target database information. You can query the evaluate database migration job status using the command gdm cli query job id number. In this case, the job ID is 1, hence the command would be gdm cli query job ID 1. You can find the console output of the migration job in the result file path indicated on the query job command output. You can see the migration progress messages in this result file path specified file. Let's move to the demo now. GDM CLI migrate database, source DB, source database DB unique name value, source node, source database server name, source database server authentication details, GDM auth plugin, source database login username is OPC, location of private key file, and sudo location. Target node, target database server name, target home, target database Oracle home value, backup user, object store login username, RSP, location of field response file, target database server authentication details, GDM auth plugin, target database login username is OPC, location of private key file, and sudo location. Ignore all. Avoid checking patch level difference between source and target databases. Eval, submit the command. For the prompts, specify the source database sys password, object storage user shift authentication token value, the command result output indicates a job ID for the migration job, and in this case the job ID is 1, which you can use to query the status of the job using the command GDM CLI query job ID 1. Job current status is executing. Current execute phase is GDM get source info. Result file path, you can see migration evaluation progress messages in this specified file. Job execution start time. GVDM evaluates each check as phase. Phase name which contains SRC gets executed on the source database server, and phase name which contains TGT gets executed on target database server. GDM evaluates the following pre-checks. Discover information about the source database. Discover information about the target database. Set up GDM helper modules on the source database server. Set up GDM helper modules on the target database server. Generate random password for encrypting RMAN backup. This password is required to take backup of the source database onto object store. Validate source database for whether source database is enabled for archive log mode or not. Validating object store credentials, TDE setup, sys password, and patch level difference between source and target database. Validating a target database for patch level difference, data file storage locations, depending upon the storage type ASM or ACFS. You can query the migration job status as many times as you want while the job is running. Current phase is GDM get TGT info. GDM get TGT info phase got completed. Now current executing phase is GDM setup source. Now job is completed. Job status is succeeded. Result file path. You can see complete evaluation migration messages in this specified file. Job execution start time. job execution end time. To complete the job, it, it took 14 minutes and 12 seconds. And these are the phases that got validated as part of the evaluation.